guys, welcome to another video. So today I have got a friend mail from my lovely friend Tracy. Now Tracy hasn't got a YouTube channel, she uploads on Facebook and Instagram. For those of you that don't know Tracy, I'm going to leave her social media links in my description box below, and I shall also pin them in the comments as well. So please go over there and check out her work and show her some love. So Tracy asked me a few weeks ago if I had the Umikk Soft Summer Collection, and I was absolutely buzzing because the Soft Summer Collection, in my opinion, is the best collection Umikk has brought out. And it was the one that I really wanted and couldn't get my hands on. So when she asked me, I was absolutely buzzing. Unfortunately, Tracy can't use Umikk gel polishes because she's allergic to them, which is a real bummer because I absolutely love using Umikk gel polishes. So she sent me the whole Soft Summer Collection, and she's also sent me some of this beautiful glitter. How pretty is that? I've not got anything that sort of colour in my collection. Super pretty. Look at the size of the pot again. A massive Tracy. Again, Tracy has sent me a whole pack of swatch sticks. Thank you very much, chick. That is one thing that I was getting low on, and she sent me some in her last parcel, and she sent me some more, bless her. Thank you so much. She sent me some nail glue, which was another thing I needed. The nail glue that I've got is the one with the brush inside, and I knocked it over and the lid's now stuck on it, so I can't get it open. So I really needed that as well. Thank you, chick. And she sent me a new Born Pretty stamper. I love this. How pretty is that? I love that. So pretty. And it's got the clear jelly as well, so you can see where you're stamping. I love that. I really needed a new stamper as well, actually, because I bought a clear jelly stamper dupe off AliExpress, and I tried to stamp with some pigments and trashed my stamper, which I was gutted about because I really like that stamper. So I can't wait to try this one. So Tracy did actually send me the swatches for these gel polishes. Well, actually, no, she didn't. She forgot to put them in the parcel and sent them separately. And when they arrived, she'd sent the wrong ones, bless her. So I thought that's the perfect opportunity for me to swatch them with you guys, so you can take a look at them as well. Because like I said earlier, in my opinion, the Soft Summer Collection is one of the best collections what they brought out. It's got some really beautiful colours in it. So yeah, I've decided I'm going to swatch them with you guys so we can all take a look at them. So I'm going to get set up and we'll pop back in a uno momento. So first up is U194. Oh, this is a pretty colour. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. That is a beautiful colour. Love that. And the Umikk gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. U195.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
Another gorgeous nude. Look at that. Love it. U196.
So can we just slow down? The only thing
U197.
is laying next to you.
My Umikk's white gel polish is an amazing white. It is a really opaque white. U198. Really pretty light pink. U199. That's a really pretty pink. Ooh, I love that. Ooh, look at this lilac. That is definitely one of my favourites. So pretty. Look at that, guys. Oh, that is stunning. U201. Look at that for a blue, guys. One coat. That's a really pretty blue. U202. Ooh, what a beautiful light grey. Again, I've not got a really pretty light grey like that in my collection. They're either got like a greeny hint to them or they're a dark grey. Not got any light proper grey greys. So I'm absolutely buzzing with that. Look at that. Proper light grey, guys. Love that. U203. Ooh, again, I've not got anything like this in my collection. That is a really unusual but pretty colour. Look at that. Really pretty. U204. U205. Ooh, now this was one of the gel polishes that I really wanted out of this collection. This was one of the main reasons I wanted this collection. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. Wait until you see this, guys. I want to also try this one and another one very similar to this over a black. So I'm going to try that once I've finished swatching them. And we'll see what they're like over a black. Look at that, guys. Wow. That is just... That has got to be one of my favourite ever gel polishes I've ever tried in my life. Beautiful. U206. Another really pretty green. U207. Oh, that's a really pretty colour as well. It's like a lime greeny yellow. It would be nice for spring, that. Really pretty. U211. Now this was one of the other colours that I wanted this collection for, guys. You wait until you see this. It's beautiful. Oh my word. I want to try this one over black as well, just to see if it's gives like a different effect. Look at that. Beautiful. U212. I didn't remember there was a pink one like that. Oh, this is another one we're going to try over a black then. Didn't remember this one. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, how gorgeous is that? U213. Really pretty metallic silver. Love that. It applies really nicely as well. It doesn't apply patchy or anything. It applies really, really nice. Look at that, guys. Stunning. And then lastly is U214. Oh, this is another one that I'm super happy with as well. That last one that I swatched, the silver metallic, I have got a silver metallic very similar to that in a different brand. And this is the same but in gold. But I'm not keen of yellowy gold. I prefer like a champagne gold, which that's what this is. Oh, I'm so happy with that. Look at that, guys. What a pretty gold is that. Can you see what I mean? When I say it's kind of a champagne gold, it's not a yellow gold. Really, really pretty colour. So what I'm going to do is now, guys, I am going to give them all a coat of the Umikk shiny top coat, which is this one. Take a quick look at it. It's a really, really nice shiny top coat. It stays shiny for ages. It lasts for ages. It's probably a little on the thicker side, but it's not super thick. It's actually a really nice consistency. This is one of my favourite top coats, and their matte top coat is also one of my favourite matte top coats. So I'm going to give them all a coat of the shiny top coat, and then like I normally do, I shall run along the bottom half with the matte top coat, and then we can come back and take a look at them matte and shiny, see what you think to them. Right, guys, so I've pulled out a few black swatch sticks, and I just want to quickly try these pearly ones over black to see if they give a different effect. So let's have a look. Oh my goodness me. Yes, they do. Wow. Look at that. That is completely different. Love that. I think it needs 2 coats though, to be honest. So I'm going to give it 2 coats and see what it looks like. This is the U211. Wow, look at that. It's like a chameleon kind of effect. Completely different. Again, I'm going to give that 2 coats. This is the U212. Wow. They are beautiful. So you could apply these over all different colours to get, and you'll get a different effect every time. Look at that. That's a pretty colour. Gorgeous. So there we are, guys. That is them swatched. That's over the natural. That is over the black. So that is U205. That's U211. And that is U212. How different do they look over a black? That is definitely my favourite though. That is stunning. They all are actually stunning, but that's definitely got to be my favourite. It is so unusual. Even over the black, it's really, really unusual. It goes like a grey sort of colour to a pinky purple. Oh, it's just, I can't even explain it. And you can't, it's not really showing up on camera how I'm seeing it either. No, you can't kind of get the grey that I'm seeing. It's like a silvery grey and it goes to a purpley pink. Oh, it's just so beautiful, guys. Absolutely stunning. So that's them ones. That is them all swatched. They've all had a coat of the shiny top coat on the top half and the Umikk matte top coat on the bottom half. What do you think? I think they are going to be awesome for spring and summer. All year rounders really, aren't they? You can use them all year round, which I like. They're just absolutely stunning, but especially these 3. These was the main reason that I wanted this collection. They're just so beautiful, aren't they? And then Tracy also sent me the glitter and the glue, which I really, really needed as well. Thank you so much. And the Born Pretty stamper as well. Bless you. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate that. And also the swatch sticks as well, which is another thing that I really, really needed. Like I said earlier, I shall leave the link to Tracy's social media in my description box, and I'll also pin it in the comments as well. So please head over there and show us some love, guys. She is an absolute angel. She really is. And she does some really pretty nail art as well. So yeah, I want to say a huge, huge thank you to Tracy. Thank you so much, chick. Also, I shall leave the link to this Umikk kit in my description box below. If anyone's interested in purchasing it, you can click the link and it'll take you straight to the kit. And that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.